Hi, this is Alexa. Lorenzo's actually working the flip phone. It just worked out better because, anyways, technical things, and she's much better than I. Anyways, this is the rifle's entrance facing me. Yeah, so this is the rifle's entrance. She's actually facing the front right now, the front of the field. So the drumline, the corps, the band, the color guard would all be behind her. And she's starting where the rifles would start as they ripple down the line. So she's count one, she's person one, and down the line would be first person from left to right as you're looking at the drill that leaves out. This person goes on 1, 2, this person goes on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last person in the row all the way down for the rifles would be count 15, 16 since there's 8 rifles. So she releases on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a sequential. So we're actually starting on page 14, but we're going all the way to page 22. So we're doing 16 plus 16 plus 8. So I'll have Alexa show you the parts and I'll hopefully redefine them. So the very first thing you do is you flip it up on count 1, 2. Catching it with the opposite hand, with the left hand, okay? Then you continue 3, 4, and as you can see, as she did that, she uses her body to go to 3, 4. Once she catches, use the upper half to turn 3, 4. Now you're off and running. Now we go to count 5, 6, releasing and bringing the rifle up, 5, 6, stepping and turning, 7, 8, okay? So the whole thing would actually be, now you can leave on right on count 5, 6. So if she goes like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, she can actually step right now if she needs to and go up 5, 6 with the rifle, 5, 6. So she can keep moving. Even if she doesn't have to stop and releve, if they have the time, it would be nice if they went step and then, yeah, and she can keep moving, yeah. So she can keep moving all the way across. But it would kind of be nice if you actually did it almost in place a little bit. So go ahead. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step 7, turn 8. So the full first 8 counts goes down the line. 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, then 7, 8. Okay, so after count 8, she continues with the rifle, and actually so she's on the 45. Now, I'm just going to move to the side so you can kind of see the angle that the rifle goes. So her left hand is on top and her right hand is on top, okay? All right, as we continue, she brings it up over the shoulder, rolling to the other side in 4 counts as well, okay? Then the hand is right there on, as she finishes, she swings the rifle down and up for 2 counts, and then right back for 2, and her hand switches underneath. Now she stays in that direction, okay? So the first person ends there. We'll do it on counts. Here we go. So here's the first one. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, and a 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and turn, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6. Now she still has 16 more counts to go, and I'll tell you why. As we go down the line, the last person ends on count 14. When the last person gets to 14, the whole ensemble goes together 15, 16, which is right there. So the left hand ends on top, okay? So the whole part that she does, as she faces the back after the first 16, when she finishes there, she can do like do a little step turn, whatever. As she's moving to her spot, she can be improvising with the equipment. Yeah, as she's going all the way, okay? So each girl can do that as they're moving to their spots. So the last girl, again, gets here by 14 because we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. She starts on 15, 16. So Alexa will start on 15, 16 right now as the last person. Okay, ready? 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then she turns 15, 16, and that's what everybody does together, okay? So now we're all facing front together, and this is the next 8 counts that they hold in place. So we just did all those 4s, we just combined all those 4s together from page 14 for the rifles, okay? This is the next 8 counts. As you can see, she's facing the front. It's going to move to a 45-degree angle as she pushes it out, and she'll step back. And the reason why she steps back is because she ended 13, 14, 15, 16 with her right leg. Her right leg ends behind. So now she's just going to close as she releases the rifle up to a 45-degree angle. She'll catch it. Go ahead. Okay, you catch it with the strap against your hand. All right? Once you get there, you're then going to pull your leg back and contract and elevate, and you're off and running on the next phrase. Okay? And you're right back. Okay, as we finish right here, on this part you're showing, this is kind of like push out and release. So keep your fingers underneath the rifle for that, okay? So you're, we finished with it here, actually, here, yeah, we finished here. Here, release, catch. So as you catch, all this should be here. Now we're going to contract in as flat as you can in and up, and use the body here as you finish that, okay? That will take you now through 16 plus 16 plus 8. What I was saying before is, and I think you guys probably got it, as you face the front, however you do that, swing as you come up, but then you swing into next 14 counts to improv as they go to their spot. And you know, all that improv stuff can be here, you might get there early, boom, they should look pretty as they get there, and then they can turn, and then they're right there. 15, 16, and then the next part together. Okay? Alright, let's see if we get Okay, here is page 23, okay, which is 8 counts, but we're going to do 23 and 24 together. We don't have to, but it just ties the idea together better. So they bring the rifle up to their, yeah, you don't have to move. We'll just show them the rifle part first. So they bring the rifle up on 1, 2, then around the back 3, 4. So the right hand grabs underneath with the thumb on top, okay, right by the bolt, okay. 3, 4 is right there. They bring it out, 5, and followed by the arm on 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9, the hand switches, like 8 and 9, the right hand switches to grab underneath the strap. Okay, that's count 9. They carve quickly 10 and as they move, and then they come down 11, plie 12. Okay, so the rifle comes down 12. So here it is moving, the first 12 counts. And that's again, page 23 and 24. 1, 2, small steps and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10, 11, plie. So that just needs to be tied together smooth. So that's count 12. Then you do a passe leap, 13, 14, come down 15, 16. And the left leg is released up. So as you can see down, that's actually 16 in the air with the rifle to the front. Okay? So let's try it again. And by the way, this is actually face that way, Alexa. Now come towards me. Yeah. Back up. And you're going out you're going whatever way we need to go. So yeah, it doesn't really matter as long as you face the front by 16. Yeah. So 1, 2, ready, go, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So I'm going to show you some thoughts as we come back. So hang on 1 second, please. Okay, so what I was saying is that some people might be facing this way, some might be facing this way. All of it still works in direction with itself. So you're going to hear 1, 2. 6, 7, 8, as long as you end up facing, and I can be going this way. And you should. I don't want everybody facing front, is what I'm saying. It needs to go directionally. just going to help with the skirt. Turn out around, and then you come back around. So if I'm facing this way, I'm going to have to go like this really fast. So hopefully, if you're heading in that direction, you can do the passe leap facing more to the front. Okay? All right, I'll come back to you, page 25. Okay, this is page 26. So it ends with a quad, and I'm not sure she can get the quad up there because of the ceiling, but depending on also the velocity of the music, the quad should be caught on 15 and rather than 16, but if it's moving at that pace, then we'll go to 16. So it starts with a flourish. So her left leg has been up from the last move, and she flourishes in steps. 1, 2, nope. Yes. So she steps aside. Okay, let's try that again. So she goes in for 1, 2, 3, 4, continues 5, 6, 7, 8. It comes underneath on 8. There's a release up on 9, 10, and then she brings it back around the front. 11, plie 12. Okay? So you can see that as you finish it. Okay, so here's the 12 counts as it moves faster. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the release, and then she's got room, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? And then the speed. That's the 16 count. Let's try that one more time. Ready? Sorry about the interruptions. 1, 2, ready, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, da, 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 da. Okay, and that's page 26.